Hi, I'm Jamie Hall. I'm a Tenure Track Fellow in the Department of Evolution, Ecology and Behaviour, and I'm interested in how microbes evolve. Microbes, of course, are incredibly diverse. They're found pretty much everywhere we go on planet Earth, and they're very important for our health, for the health of our environment, and for industry as well. Many of my favourite foods are made by microbes. One of the interesting things about microbes, because they're small, because they have large population sizes, and because they have the potential to reproduce quickly, is that they can evolve rapidly. And this can be very important for our health, as we're witnessing currently with the current alarming rise of antimicrobial resistance, where bacteria in hospitals are becoming increasingly recalcitrant to the drugs that we use to treat infections. So I want to understand the dynamics and the drivers of bacterial evolution and microbial evolution and how we might influence them. My particular emphasis is on the role of horizontal gene transfer. Horizontal gene transfer is an interesting phenomenon whereby bacteria, particularly, can acquire genes from individuals that aren't their parents. They get their genes from their neighbours instead. And even if those neighbours are different species. And it's a remarkable process which actually has a very important role in the way that traits that we're interested in, things like antimicrobial resistance, spread between different species within a complex community. And one of the principal ways that bacteria mobilize genes, or that genes are shared between bacteria, is on elements called plasmids. And these are superficially very simple entities. They're essentially just a bit of circular DNA, but they have a kind of interesting life of their own, and there are lots of subtleties in the way that bacteria and plasmids interact that I'm trying to explore. So this is fundamental science, but it highlights principles that I think can be applied more broadly. For example, can we design environments or treatments that will inhibit or enhance the spread of genes by horizontal gene transfer? And can we exploit many of the conflicts that are implicit between bacteria and these mobile genetic elements like plasmids that essentially inhabit this kind of complex ecosystem? Can we exploit these conflicts and trade-offs to affect the way that microbes evolve?